Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color this carnivorous plant. We start our drawing in the middle of the flower and draw a circle. We draw a smaller one inside this circle. The small circle is the mouth of the carnivorous flower. And here we draw lots of pointed teeth all around it. I'll quickly color in the mouth area with a black pen, but you can color it in later if you like. Continue with the large petals around the mouth. Starting from the outer edge of the mouth, draw the first petal. It always consists of two wavy lines that converge at the end of the petal in a point. When a petal is finished, the next petal is drawn. We do this until the mouth area is completely surrounded by petals. In my drawing there are 6 petals in total. Next we draw a wavy border around the mouth area on the petals. Then we draw lots of spots on all the petals. Some of the spots on my carnivorous plant are very small and round. Other spots are slightly larger and have different shapes. If you count the spots on my petals, you will notice that the number of spots on the individual petals is different. Now that the complete flower head is finished, we can continue with the stem. We place the pencil on the left of a petal and draw a very long wavy line downwards. From this petal where we have drawn the first line of the stem, we now draw a second wavy line in parallel. However, we let this second line run out a little wider at the bottom, so that the stem is narrower at the top and wider at the bottom. Draw a root at the bottom right of the base. The end of the root is pointed, and it gets thicker towards the inside of the trunk. We draw the same thing on the other side. From the inside of the trunk, the left root remains wide and tapers to a point at the end, and we paint another small root above the left root. Then we add a few more vines to our herbivorous flower. To do this, we draw another wavy line to the right of the trunk. At the end, draw a second line parallel to the first. This creates a long and thin liana. This is how we draw more lianas. Draw as many lianas as you want and as you like. In my drawing there is another one on the right hand side. And then later 2 more around the trunk. Next we draw lots of little lines in the trunk and roots. Then we draw lots of leaves around the lianas. We draw these small leaves in the same way as the petals. And when a leaf has been drawn, we draw another small line in the middle of the leaf. Do it again the way you like it. In my drawing, the leaves alternate between the left side of the liana and the right side. Sometimes I place the leaves very close together, other times a little further apart. The carnivorous flower is finished and can now be colored. If you like, you can watch me coloring the picture. The teeth in the circle were painted in yellow and with small red dots. I used purple for the spots. I painted the upper side of the petals with a bright red. I colored the remaining petals with orange. I painted over the purple in places with a light blue and then with a darker purple. I then dotted the tips of the flower leaves with brown paint. The lianas were painted in a dark green, and the leaves in a lighter green. Finally, the trunk was painted in a light brown color, and a few shadows were added with dark brown paint. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again for the next one. See you soon.